Miss, I miss you. wala na akong aasarin dito. Love you. Mwah, mwah, mwah. Sup, sup. Love you. Ay, what was that? Ish!
What are you doing?
Ano ba malum? Ish! Like that. I love you. I love you. I miss you. Ito namang si Maricel, pauwi. Tourist na lang pero busy pa rin. Kami naanto kasi siya. Wala, nagtatrabaho pa rin. Masipag kasi yan si Troy. Pag si Troy, masipag yan. Pero ang niya, nakaw. Miss ko to.
Close that camera. Can you talk to her?